In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Binance referral link and your referral code inside of the Binance app. Okay, so on the phone, all we need to do is open up the Binance app. So I'm just going to search for it and open it here. Now, once you're inside of the Binance app, it doesn't matter if you're on the Pro or the Lite version. You need to go to Markets at the bottom left-hand corner. And by doing that, you'll be able to then see an icon in the top left, which if you click on, it will show your user ID. Now from here, you will see your referral section. So it'll be under the user ID. So if you click in the top left-hand corner, you can see here we've got earn together, win up to 2,000 USDC. This is a time-limited referral program. And this is good if you have a lot of people you're going to be inviting in a small amount of time, and you can earn bonuses, right? There are other referral programs like you can earn a 100 USD voucher if your friend who joins under your link deposits more than $50 within 14 days. But the one I like is Referral Pro. If you click on Referral Pro, then click OK, you can then find your referral code and your referral link, and you can see how much percentage of the trade through the fees you're going to earn.